What do we got going on here, Justin?
We are putting in a new pole. This would be a third pole here, and this is meant to carry the data logger equipment, possibly weather station. We're expanding the system, but we're also reconfiguring what's here a little bit. VHF antenna, Eric says, is going to migrate to the new pole, and then this is also going to provide us a means of connecting overhead to that dish, and we're not exactly sure how that dish is going to be implemented. That predates our right of way, and it's very homebrew, cobbled together, and for historical purposes we're just going to leave it as it is and use it for whatever our purpose and our expansion is. So this pole was actually acquired in town, and Connor figured out how to haul it to the yard, and it's been sitting there waiting for this purpose, so we're gonna stand it up. Connor dug this hole with the jackhammer. We've recently acquired a jackhammer that's made digging these holes a whole lot easier.
How long is this pole?
I don't know. Eric, did you measure this one? Come back?
25 quarter.
25. 25. Go open there. So what I think we'll do is we'll put a tagline on it. Actually, I don't even know if we need a tagline. We might be able to just stand this thing and then take the upper strap off of it. Okay, yep, that's why we have the spoon shovel up here.
And then how are we plumbing it, Justin?
How are we doing what? Think about how we're going to do this in a controlled fashion. I'm going to loosen the strap, but I'm thinking about how we guide it. Let's get a couple sets of hands.
Wrap a strap on the low end and just have someone keep holding from far.
Yep.
Actually, both ends, right? Positive control.
Is there a strap on that side of the pickup lane? So we'll just take the ratchet off of it. Go ahead and pass it over to the handle. Okay. Now let's just wrap. Find about the center. Here you go. So you guys are just kind of controlling,
Keeping it from going one side or the other.
yeah. And when I let this out, it should just set down.
Yep.
Let's get another pair of hands, Connor.
Yeah.
Grab the other side of this strap.
Do we want to try to pick this thing back up at all? Or
No.
Gonna drag it in?
You and I are just keeping it. You loosen that. Will it come out? There you go. All right. Yeah, you guys can let go. Connor, keep a hand on it with me.
We're just gonna try to pull it back and drop it the rest of the
I'm going
way.
to stand up on the flat deck.
Okay.
And let's push it up.
Let's wrap it around anyway, in case we need to check the direction of the other. Help guide it.
Okay, it's up.
All right, so
Now we start backfilling.
backfilling. Cool.
We need to get a level on it.
Go ahead and get the strap out of the mix.
It must be nice to have 2 levels.
Yeah.
You grab it for a few minutes.
So, Chris, you got a hand on it?
Yeah.
All right. You guys grab that. And what I'd like you to do is switch sides of the pole. I'm going to back the pickup up to like 2 feet.
Got it. You're gonna lean it against the pickup a little bit.
Yeah, and just make it easier to put the plumb on it.
Gotta get it centered. We'll have to spin it around. Is there a preference for where we put the crown? Yeah, it's crown.
Come on, dog.
You wanted to start backfilling? We got this.
Okay.
Level it, start backfilling. Somebody hold the level on there while you're sporting it. We might want to get 2 levels on there so we have 2 planes, you know.
Eric, is there a particular face or a direction you want that bolt hole? It's got a through bolt hole.
So this will give you another.
Got that one, I think this one.
Well, I mean,